Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So here's my first tractor video. I'm actually a tractor mechanic here somewhere in the state of California. Anyways, I got a few issues on this unit. First issue I got was that the unit wouldn't start, and the other that it would not move. It would move a few feet forward and then just go into neutral. So first thing I always do before I start anything else, I mean, you can do your checkups, you can go around the unit, you can check the wiring, you know, see if there's any breaks in the unit. But if you don't know what you're looking for, then you're gonna be lost. So I usually start with the codes and, you know, my fuses. So first thing, I checked my fuses. Well, actually, I also checked, I try to verify the concern. So I try to turn the unit on, and yeah, there's no cranking or anything. So if I come around this way, checking on their starter here, that wire's fine, it's all connected. And then they have this, their jumper wire. So they've been jumping this unit for a while, and yeah, that's one of the things. So this unit has a few safety switches, TO safety switch, and it has the lever here, the shuttle lever. So anyways, so I started checking fuses after I found out it would not start, and I found a few fuses that were blown. So my first one that I checked was fuse 16. There it is, it's blown, 10 amp. So once I did that, this light here, this PTO light, would now come on if I pull the PTO lever up. Sometimes you have that issue where this light is on and it won't start because of that switch. So the switch is under the unit. Here's some codes. This is a code 3691, that's for a glow plug module, and that's 2425, that is for a the shifter lever is not in neutral, or it's in gear, or the switch is bad, or the wiring, which we'll check right now. But anyways, I didn't have this light on, and once I put a new switch on it, it still wouldn't start. And this was before I checked the fuse, by the way, which I should have checked fuses first. Anyways, I checked that and I found that this light was off even with the switch open. So I know there was an issue. So anyways, I started checking everything. That's when I found that fuse, and then it still wouldn't start. So then I decided, well, let me check all the fuses, because it's always best, like, just check everything. You never know what you'll find. Anyways, this is my first video, guys. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. I'll put more video content out there like this. If you guys want any type of advice on any New Holland or Kubota tractors, let me know. I've been doing this a few years now, so I have some pretty good knowledge, and you guys can ask me questions, and whenever I get a chance, I'll get back to you. But yeah, anyways, on this one, I had that issue, I had the starting issue and the moving issue. So now I found this 5 amp fuse right here. It's blown. That is number 11. So that's also, you know, the starting one. So anyways, I put that in right here, and the other one here, and now it starts. So that's that part of it. And then here's the switch. I'll show you the PTO switch that was giving me, I mean, part of the issue. We go down here. And if you look in there, it's right here. It's right there. So anyways, that switch, when you engage your lever, it has right above it, it has a little lever. Once it comes up, it disengages that switch, makes the PTO light turn on, and then obviously the PTO come on. But here I have codes for 2425 for unit not moving, and I'm guessing it's these wires. They're super stretched out, they're super zip tied. So it's either one of these two, this one here or that one here. So if I'm gonna cut these off, I'm gonna check these wires, and I'll let you guys know here in a bit.